So if you're experiencing some lag issues playing Xbox Cloud Gaming, I can tell you I've been there myself, and it's very annoying if you're trying to play one of your favorite games or maybe a new release and it's all choppy. Now there's really 3 or 4 ways to fix this problem, and the first thing that usually takes care of it is switching out the browser you're using. So when you're using cloud gaming, typically it's going to be through a browser because you have to add it to your home screen. And in this example, I have an iPhone, so Safari is the main browser, but switching it out to Chrome or Mozilla usually can take care of the problem. So I'd recommend switching out the browsers as the first step. The second thing you want to do is reset your home Wi-Fi. It's likely you're probably playing these games at home anyway, so I would actually recommend, just flipping that on and off. Or the third thing you could do is actually restarting your phone, which can also help. And honestly, if none of these options work, you could connect to a VPN. I've got NordVPN pulled up here because it is a solid choice. And, the reason a VPN might work for you is because the servers, wherever you're trying to connect through Xbox Cloud Gaming, might be a little bit slow, and changing your location could help the problem. Anyways, those are the things that I would do. You could obviously, go through them and do them one by one, but the biggest one I would say actually is probably switching out the browser. Okay, the last thing I want to do here is throw up some more gameplay, doing some Doom here because this game is ridiculously cool. Of course, as you guys are watching this, please tap that like button, subscribe if you haven't. You could also get on our tech newsletter where we send out 1 email a week directly below in the description. For now, let's run some of this gameplay.